Hi, I'm Russ from RT Sales. This is our Winona Van Norman CG-280 crankshaft grinder. This machine has been reconditioned, checked out, gone through. Everything is in OE specification. New headstock motor, new grinding wheel motor. We also have all of the tooling for it with the radius dresser, setup gauge, steady rest. Also will come with a journal sizing gauge. I'll have Mel, he'll grind a crankshaft for you. Grinds to within a tenth. This machine is up and running, ready to put into service. If you have any questions, call Russ at RT Sales 248-887-0422.